Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I have a small haul. I have my monthly kit from Heidi Swapp. I have my sticker book from Amy's Tangerine, and then I ordered some vinyls from Caluya. I believe that's her name. Caluya Design. That's her information. Focus. That's her information. And I bought some stickers to make 16-ounce water jugs. So, and she gave me something for free here. So I did pick up two of, let me use this background, Choose Kindness water bottle stickers. And then my weekend is all booked. Then less people, more dogs. Then more espresso, less espresso. Then I'd rather be home finishing my TBR pile. What is TBR? I don't know. Maybe I don't know. If you know what TBR is, please let me know. I'm so dated. Just doing my best. And then grateful for this life. And then the larger ones, I picked this one. It says Crafty Girl. I'm loving that. I'm not in the mood, or approach with caution. What is RN? I don't know. Registered nurse? No. And then this one, coffee. And then this one. And then this one. This way. And this one, Be the Light. Matthew 5:14. Oh, I didn't know I had that. And then loved, abundant, beautiful, blessed, I am, enough, worthy, pure, powerful, and kind. And then the little bear. He's cute. He could have been smiling. And wedding. And then this one is black and white. And the cacti's. And then some daisies. And then books and coffee. And then this one is affirmations. I trust my mom instincts. When I'm happy, my family is happy. I deserve to rest. I'm exactly who my kids need. I am capable of amazing things. I am not just a mom. Mom self-love cup. Mom, kids don't need a perfect mom. I choose to focus on the good. I am proud of myself. I will show my kids love through my actions and words. I am kind to my mind. It's okay if I can't do it all. That's cute. And then another one, and it says, it's okay not to be okay. Don't worry about things you can't control. Trust your vibes. Think happy thoughts. I have what it takes. Be real, not perfect. My happy mindset cup. I am allowed to do things differently. I choose to focus on the good. I am capable of amazing things. It's okay if I can't do it all. I am made of magic. I love myself. I love my body. I am loved. I love my flaws. And then this one, some mushrooms, and then some butterflies, and then some daisies. So that is all of my stickers that I bought from her. Then Amy Tangerine. This was my little sticker that she gave for free for ordering. It says, "Be strong enough to pursue your passions." And then this is her new sticker book. So let's see, her new sticker book. So that's the last page there. Next one. Loving the girl with the flowers. Loving the telephone booth. Play, laundry, celebrate. Yep. And the girl with the flower again. Take the leap. Great. How many pages it comes? It says over 800 stickers. And I don't know. It's 30 pages of curated and original designs on matte, clear, and wood-free paper. Ideal for adding joy to your journals, planners, and scrapbooks. From cheerful quotes to playful illustrations, let these stickers brighten every moment. So that's cute. So you got almost 30 pages. So that's cute. Brighter than the sun, the best is yet to come. Then some suitcase and a ticket. I wish I was going somewhere. Go where your dreams take you. Even though the whole month of August and September wasn't here, I was traveling. I only worked 7 days on August. I can't believe that. Which I'm kind of happy about that. So why am I complaining that I want to travel again? So I don't know. Work in progress. I like the Polaroid. I like the cameras. What a great way to spend the day. Loving the cassette tape. Loving the little colorful pencils there. And I need to hurry it up because I'm getting tired holding this book up. I'm loving that. Is that like the last one? Yeah. Yep, it is like the last one. So you get 2 sheets of the same. So that's good. You get 2 sheets. You don't have to hoard it like I do. So that's that. And then I want to show you my stamps. The society stamp of September. And it's like this. So you have field notes, you have some mail, you have a ticket there, some flowers, a notebook, which you could put this in here probably, or this one. And then you have a tag here and 2 little tiny tags and some washi stamps there. And then you have the little circle for the tag. So that's kind of nice. That is Heidi Swapp. And then Stop the Blur. I opened everything up and I bought I added to my order. As always, you get the little tell your story Heidi Swapp. And so one came in the kit, and I bought an extra one for $3.99. And now I have a couple more than what is expected. There's also this one. It has pink and white in here. So you get a variety of pinks and white little envelopes. Then you get the mailbox, and she does have the brads to connect the mailbox, and it's black, and you get 2 blacks, 2 whites. So, and this envelope fits in here, and this envelope fits in here. So you could put this postcard inside the envelope and then put this envelope inside the post. So this is the washi tape. I always use a washi tape, not for my journaling, but for my calendar book. And then you get 4 of these, which they do pop open like that. It says same panic, different disco. I still listen to Panic at the Disco, I think it's called. And then this one is happiness is not setting the alarm. Oh yeah. Great things never come from comfort zone. Friday is a state of mind. Then I did order the stamp to match the die. And this is the die, it's little clips. So this is the stamp, and you could stamp it on the paper with different designs on the paper. And then this one says, love this, not okay, let's go, cute, no thanks, October, September, noted today, hello, thanks, enjoy, and loved. So that goes with that. And then a sheet of this hand sticker and 2 alphas, a smaller and a larger in black. And I did pick up that die, the mailbox die, and I picked up that envelope die. And I can make my own little card. It's a little bigger than, oh no, it's the same. I think these cards are bigger, but you can make your own cards and the envelopes. So I did pick up that. So that's my add-on. These 2 and the stamp was the add-ons. And that's it for my hauls. But I did want to show you a small little project share that I did with the pens that I picked up from Allie. So I picked up these pens, and this one has a spot where you could put sequins inside. And so I don't know if it's picking it up. So I put some sequins, some seed beads, and some, not seed beads, the diamond dots inside here. But I think I should only have put the diamond dots back. Oh my goodness, I can't speak. The diamond dots crystals. So this one I designed a little star with the mushroom and a bead there from Hobby Lobby. And the mushroom is from Hobby Lobby. This is from AliExpress. And so the pen is from AliExpress. And then to right, you just turn it, as you can see. So I did that one with one of the, then I picked up this one from AliExpress with the gems. And I think that would go well with the earlier haul that I did with the Mickey and Minnie. And so I used those little pink Mickey or Minnie ears, and I put a bead from Hobby Lobby here and here, and that's how that looks. And again, you just turn it and you can write. I did that pen. And then this one, a little panda from AliExpress, and the 2 gems from Hobby Lobby, and the pen from AliExpress. So I think they came out so cute. And now I have more of the Mickey or Minnie that I could play with, these pens that'll match perfectly with those jemmies that I bought earlier today. So as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you are not a subscriber, I would love for you to come and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on future videos. And it does help my video if you give it a thumbs up and if you subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.